Meaning of ergonomics.
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 Ergonomics. Ergonomics refers to the study of designing objects and environments in a way that optimizes human well-being and performance. The ultimate goal is to create efficient and safe systems that enhance productivity while minimizing physical strain and discomfort. Ergonomic principles are applied in a variety of fields, including workplace design, product design, and human-computer interaction. By considering how people interact with their surroundings and devising solutions that accommodate their needs, ergonomics can help reduce injuries, increase job satisfaction, and improve overall quality of life.